Manitoba's opposition wants to put the brakes on a proposal for MPI to fund road repairs. The province certainly has potholes to fill, highways to twin, and more, but critics say its public auto insurer has no business in infrastructure.
Now, in this case, moving responsibilities that should be faced by a government operation, a government department which currently employs over 2,400 people and has a budget of $600 million.
Pellister said this amounts to a hidden tax for drivers, whose MPI rates would cover what their tax dollars already should. Andrew Swan, the minister responsible for MPI, said BC's public auto insurer has already proven the plan works. In those cases, for every $1 ICBC invested in road repairs, it paid back $5 in savings for rate-paying drivers. But opponents say the cash should be turned over to drivers.
Perhaps, if MPI has all this extra money, it should consider giving it to the people who overpaid.
The Public Utilities Board must give a green light for the idea to succeed. Joyanne Persega, Sun News.